Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We're back from our summer break and continuing our theme of French cooking that we started back during the Summer Olympics. Hope you had a chance to see some of those episodes. And today we'll be making a classic side dish, French fries. Now interestingly, the French and Belgians have an ongoing dispute about where fries were invented. French chefs turned to potatoes during a famine in 1785 and began to cut them into strips and fry them. But Belgium also claims the fries as their own when the rivers they fished in froze over in winter and they turned to potatoes, which were sliced thinly to replicate the size of tiny fish. But they're widely beloved wherever they started. So the two main ways to make fries, you can fry them in a pan with oil or you can bake them in an oven. That's what we'll be doing today. So just three ingredients are yellow potatoes, olive oil cooking spray, and salt. So the first thing, we'll wash the potato over here. And then dry it. And we'll peel it here. Now this is the key part after we've peeled them. The size of the fry is determined by how thin or thick you cut it. So if you want them thinner, we can cut them thinner. If you want them thicker, like steak fries, you can cut them thicker. So what I like to do is cut a little bit here, and a little bit there, move those, and then now, say we'll go about like this. Now this is the key part, you can cut them to make the size of the fries. Or if you want them thicker, you can cut them like this. Then we'll have an oven-safe pan and I put some parchment paper to cover it. Then we'll spray it with our olive oil spray. Then we'll preheat the oven to 425. While the oven preheats, I'll go ahead and set up the fries. Try to have them not touching. I'm going to do several different sizes too. Then into the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. Then after that, we'll take them out and flip them. Then we'll take them out of the oven after 15 minutes and we'll flip them over to the other side. They look pretty good already. Then we'll put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes for 25 minutes total. And then after 25 minutes, the fries are done. After we take them out of the oven, when they're nice and hot, that's when we want to start seasoning them with salt. You can use a lot because a lot of it is going to go on the pan. It's not even going to get to the fries anyway. And then I kind of move them around like this. Then of course we'll try one. First thing I notice, it's very crispy, which is nice coming from the oven. Perfect amount of salt. Really delicious French fries and easy to make at home using the oven. I hope you get a chance to try this recipe, and if you do, let me know what you think. The recipe for the oven-baked French fries is at the bottom of the video. Thanks so much to you guys for watching. Thanks to Mom for her help running the camera, and we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen.